I didn't know that this was after 6 years. So if I was a bride, I don't mind standing for like even 5 hours in this outfit.
Not that I want her to be a runaway bride.
And the people who are really looking for the outfits for their certain occasions.
I am so excited to do a show in Mumbai after 6 long years, and just to be back on the ramp feels so surreal. It felt like I never left. So, and Daisy walking she's family to me, and the most when I thought of a showstopper and when I wanted to restart, the only thing I thought of, I want somebody comfortable. I don't want anybody giving me stress or anything, and she was as good as an elder sister to me. So I'm very, very glad she did this to me. I love it. Longer the ramp, better it is. We love it. We love our heels. We love the daisies.
No, it gives you more space to show off the outfit also that you are wearing.
Longer the ramp, better it is.
Thank you so much. The credit goes to Manali, obviously. And I didn't know that this was after 6 years. So congratulations on that. And thank you for choosing me for this moment of yours. And I think ये याद रहेगा कि 6 साल के बाद मुंबई में मनाली ने शो किया and Daisy has walked for.
Of course.
All walks have been really memorable because it's the outfit that we really, it's the designer's vision that we put it forward to the media outside and the people who are really looking for the outfits for their certain occasions. So yeah, we are the canvas, I feel.
I love this. She was almost like a runaway bride. So it's very easy, not the usual big can lehenga. When we spoke about it also, she said, I want to do, and I think this is something that suits her. Not that I want her to be a runaway bride, but I think
You never know, that can be a reality very soon. Very
and I
soon.
think it's something that suits her. She carries it so beautifully. So it was specially designed for her, and I love it. I think she's doing fabulous justice to it.
And all the outfits that I've seen Manali, they are very easy, they're not like something that you have to put so much of कि यहाँ से ये कैसे करेंगे, ये वज़न को कैसे संभालेंगे. So it's so easy. Like if I was a bride, I don't mind standing for like even 5 hours in this outfit.
It was amazing. It was good to collaborate with Manali for this show. Always Satya does a great job with GICW, and I've been associated with it from the beginning. I think it's the first time they're in Mumbai, and I think when we decided to do the show, and Manali was a great choice. Obviously, she has had an interesting couple of years, and coming from the healthcare field, I think we connected quite well. Also, she got Daisy, which was an amazing thing to do, and so I think everything went really well.
I just feel that like future brides, this is the combo that you need. Perfect skin, perfect outfit.
He's, apart from the Marathi connection that we have, the Karkhanis and the Jagtap, it was such an honor to do a show for them. They have these amazing clinics. They make us look so pretty, and they are fab doormat. She's a fab gynac, and I think for us to collaborate with such a brand which is just not is so valued, I think it's amazing.
Thanks to Manali, thanks to the welcome to me. I hope you enjoy this show.
Yes,
Oh, we had a
did,
blast.
You
yes.
enjoy this game.
Thank you for giving us the longest ramp to walk on, honestly.
Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.